Hi everyone. Welcome back to Science Simplified. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of electron configurations, a topic that explains how electrons are arranged around the nucleus of an atom. Understanding electron configurations not only helps us grasp the structure of atoms, but also explains why elements behave the way they do in chemical reactions. Segment 1: Basics of Electron Configuration. Let's start with the basics. Electrons orbit the nucleus of an atom in energy levels, also called shells. These energy levels are divided into sublevels labeled as S, P, D, and F. Each sublevel can hold a specific number of electrons. The S sublevel holds up to 2 electrons. The P sublevel holds up to 6 electrons. The D sublevel holds up to 10 electrons. And the F sublevel holds up to 14 electrons. Electrons fill these sublevels in a specific order based on the Aufbau principle, which states that electrons occupy the lowest energy sublevels first. Segment 2: Understanding the order of filling. You might wonder, how do we know which sublevel to fill first? Great question. There's a simple diagram called the Aufbau diagram to help us remember the order. The order goes like this: 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s, and so on. Notice how 4s comes before 3d. That's because 4s has a slightly lower energy level. Let's use an example, the element oxygen, which has 8 electrons. Following the Aufbau principle, we get 1 squared 2 squared 2p. Easy, right? Segment 3: Hund's rule and Pauli exclusion principle. But there are a couple more rules to keep in mind. First, Hund's rule states that electrons will occupy empty orbitals in the same sublevel before pairing up. This minimizes electron repulsion and makes the atom more stable. Then there's the Pauli exclusion principle, which says that no 2 electrons in the same orbital can have the same spin. So, when electrons pair up, one spins up and the other spins down. Segment 4: Practical applications. You might be wondering, why does this matter? Well, electron configurations help chemists predict bonding behavior, magnetic properties, and even the colors of compounds. For example, the beautiful colors of fireworks. That's all about how electrons absorb and release energy. To recap, electron configurations tell us how electrons are arranged in an atom, following principles like the Aufbau principle, Hund's rule, and the Pauli exclusion principle. Thanks for joining us on this journey into atomic structure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more science videos.